What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video we're drawing Doey the Dough Man versus the Imposter. For today's lesson we'll be drawing Doey on the left side with the Imposter on the right. So let's start on the left side of our page at the very top with Doey's head. We're going to draw a circle with a gap along the bottom. So let's start on the left. We'll go all the way around the head, towards the top, round this out, come down and then bend that in. Let's push the hat over towards the left side. So we're going to start from the very top, start with the brim. We're going to go up, go in towards the head, go out, and then back in. And then along the top, we're going to draw a half circle. Let's give our character some angry eyes, but we're going to push this over towards the right. So from the center, move over, draw the top of the left eye. We're going to go up, then out, move over towards the right, and do the same thing. Let's round out the tip of the eye. Come down towards the bottom, and then in, and do the exact same thing on the right. Let's draw in the mouth. Starting on the left side, we go up, round this out, and then come down, go up, and then back down towards the right. I'm going to switch to my thick black marker and fill the inside of the eyes and the mouth. Now we're going to move down on the left side and draw in the arm. Let's start from the bottom of the head, step down, just going to bend the arm, going out, come around, and then in. We're here, draw a small half circle for the thumb. Let's close off the end with a bracket. Now I want to wrap 3 fingers around the bottom, starting from the side of the thumb, going around that bracket, and then back out, step down, draw the second finger, and then the third finger, we're going to bend up towards the arm. You want to taper the arm so it gets narrower as you come back in towards the head. Now we're going to go over towards the right side of the head, step down, draw on the body. We're going to come down and out, round out the belly, come all the way across towards the left leg. Let's go underneath the arm, we're going to draw the back, coming down and out. I'm going to follow this all the way down, and then in towards the base of the leg. Let's tuck the leg in underneath. So we step back on the right, bend this down and out, round out the leg, and bend that back up, and curve that back up underneath the hip. Let's move over and draw on the right leg. Start with the inside coming down, round out the base of the leg, going up, curve this up, and then in behind the body. Now in the center of our page, in between the characters, we're going to have the imposter's tongue wrapped around Doey's hand. So we'll start up here, start with a curve, coming down and up, go back over towards the left side, we're going to round out the tongue, come across, and then bend that back in. Let's draw that same shape tucked in underneath, starting on the left side, going all the way around, and then back up. Let's go to the top of the tongue on the left side, we're going to draw the thumb, bending this in, go around, and then down. Now let's go to the right side, draw that first finger, going out, around, and then down. Go to the top, there in the second finger, and then the third finger to go all the way around, and then down on top of the thumb. Let's line up the outside of the hand, down underneath the tongue, bend the arm, coming down, up, in behind the body. Now we're going to go back up underneath the head, draw the top of the arm, coming down, and then out. Now with the body in place, let's add those patches inside. We're going to start on top of the left shoulder, come around, out, and then in. And we're going to add those little fingers, these little curves. We're just going to add 3 of them. Bend that back out, go up, and then out towards the side of the body. Let's add that patch across the bottom. We're going to start with the curve going up, and then down in behind the leg. Let's step up on the hip, come around and in. Now we're going to want to draw those same fingers. Just going to add 3 on the end, and then go back out towards the side. Let's go up to the top of the neck on the right, come around, and back in, and then again, just adding those 3 fingers on the end, and go back out toward the side. Let's add an opening across the bottom of the arm. Now from here we move over towards the right side and draw the bottom edge of the visor. We're going to start down here, bend this across, and then down. Go back to the left side, round out the visor, go across. I'm just going to round out the right side. Let's go back to the left side along the bottom. I'm going to add some teeth, going out and then down. Bring that back up towards the top. I'm just going to add these points, just working our way towards the right corner of the mouth. Add a couple more, coming down, and then up. Now let's draw on the side of the mouth, coming down towards the bottom of the jaw. Add these teeth pointing up, going up, and then back down. Now it's going to work our way across towards the left side. You want to extend the jaw a little bit further than the top. Let's add one more tooth, going up. I'm going to bend this all the way around and then down towards the bottom of the feet. I want to extend the tongue coming from the hand, coming in towards the throat. So we start from the side, come down, up, and then back down. Let's step down, just trace this, and go a little bit wider as I come back in towards the back of the throat. And we're going to draw the back side of the mouth, starting up here, curve this down in behind the tongue, and then down towards the bottom. I'm going to switch to my thick black marker and fill the inside of the mouth. Now we're going to line up the side of the head on top of the visor. We're going to go up, go across the head, bring this down and in, and then back down towards the same height, towards the bottom of the feet. Let's round out the bottom of the feet, coming down and then up on both sides. And then on the right, we're going to bend the leg, going up and then in, step down, draw the body, going out and then up. Now I want to tuck the left leg in underneath the body. Over on the right side, we're going to add that backpack, going out and then down, curve this back in, and then round out the bottom. Now we want to balance out our drawing by adding a hat on top of the imposter. We're going to start with an oval, going all the way around, back in. Let's bend the hat, going up towards the top. And we're just going to close this off with a curve. Let's complete the drawing by adding some saliva coming down the bottom. Starting from the arm, bend this down. Let's work our way up and then in towards the tongue. Now let's sign our art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. There's a drawing of Doey versus the imposter. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please be sure to subscribe for more videos each day where I'll show you how to draw different characters just like this. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.